Hi, that was my little version of Ode to Joy, which is by Beethoven, but it's a great slide exercise. And I'm playing it with just one harmony note, just the low note. I'm tuned to G, G, D, G, open G. And the reason it makes such a great slide exercise is because you're playing a melody that you're probably familiar with and know how it's supposed to go, and you have a note it can harmonize with. So the very first note of the song is 4 on the first string. Now if you just play that by itself, hopefully you're right. Or you can practice with a tuner or, all that other stuff, or you can just listen and pinch the low string. Now if you're not right, you know. So throughout this little ditty, we'll be just pinching the low string. Are there other harmony notes? Yes. I'll probably throw a couple in the tab, but I want to keep this as simple as possible. The other thing you're going to do is tip your slide. When you play melodies on the first string, you don't have to have your slide bumping into the other strings. You just tip it, not crazy far, but so it can't touch the other strings. And that way you can get vibrato and a nice clean sound. Like that. So there's 4 lines. The second line and the fourth line are actually exactly the same. So in a way, there's only 3 lines to learn. The first one, 4, 4, 5, 7. And then 7, 5, 4, 2. So I'll do that for you. Then the next are 0, 0, 2, 4. And then 4, 2, 2. So when you practice it, you can practice it with the pinching the low string. When you get a little more advanced, you can add in the middle string. When you get here, low string again. And while you're still on the 4, middle string. So that's more the advanced version. I'll put that in the tab, but for now, just play the low string. Just pinch it like that. So it does that again. The first part starts off the same, 4, 4, 5, 7. And then 7, 5, 4, 2. Now, you go to open, 2, 4, like you did in the first measure. But instead of playing 4 again, you go to 2. And then open, open. I'll play that for you. Okay. Now this line is quite a bit different. This is the third line. Starts off on 2, 4, 0. And then 2, 5, 4, 0. Now I went 4, 5, 4. That might be a little tricky, so in the tab I'm just going to keep it really simple. The first part, second part, and you can have this ringing as well, even though technically it's over a different chord. And then 2, 5, 4, 2. And then 0, 2, 7. And once again, when you play it, you can just play it using the low string. Or you can get fancier. Like that. then the last line we've already done, 4, 4, 5, 7. And then 7, 5, 4, 2. Open, open. 2, 4. 2. And once again, you can get fancy at that end there. You can do the 2 and pinch the middle string. Once again, just to be clear, when you're first doing it, definitely use the low string, because that'll help you get good at the melody. Because you'll hear that it's in tune. You'll also be able, if you're messing with your vibrato, by the way, you'll know whether your vibrato is too crazy or not. I mean, there is good opportunities for crazy vibrato. But you don't want your vibrato to be so much that it goes out of whack with the instrument. I hope you have fun doing this little exercise. It's a very good way to increase your accuracy as far as the pitch of your slide playing goes. Have a great day.